venturing into a lake.
Let's see if we can get the arrow.
I wanted that. I'm gonna go after it.
Let's go. You gotta leave a trail of... Oh.
Uh-oh. I don't know, I heard it cracking.
Oh, we're going down.
Wait, be quiet. Oh, I want to get the cracking on the camera.
Is there water underneath this fucking thing?
Yeah, there's water coming up from the thing. I said we just run across. One. Jesus Christ, that was scary.
I'm sick. Yes, sick.
Oh man.
That was solid.
Let's keep running across.
Go get it. You can ice skate.
Yeah, this is the ice skating rink.